Jen Manigat as Luna's office mate and one of the Chuwari-Waps. Ayan. Very fabulous walk. Narito naman si Manal Bone, portrayed by Harley Lapus. In the role of Luna's fiancé and ex-TL Andy is Juan Pingzon. Up next, Joel Constancia na gumanap bilang Ben, Luna's new TL. Please make room for the cheerful best friends ni Sol, na sina Ray at Claudine, played by Lyle Pinay and Uziel De La Mide. Now, of course, the creator and director of Si Sol at Si Luna, Direk Dolly Dulu. And now, the stars of Si Sol at Si Luna, introducing ang hardworking at resilient na si Luna, played by Jane Oineza. Finally, the heart of our story, ang inquisitive at perpetual optimist na si Sol, played by the multi-talented Zaijan Haranilla. Give another round of applause for our stars joining us this afternoon. Could our stars please rise from their seats to show the fans para makita nila yung mga faces nyo? Alam ba? Yeah. Everyone, another round of applause for our stars here in front of us today. Ayun, syempre, apart from the cast members that we have on stage, we also have other key characters na nagbigay kulay sa kwento ni Sol at Luna. We would like to acknowledge two key members of the cast. Si Miss Karina Bautista na gumanap bilang Ara, ang classmate ni Sol na may tinatagong sekreto. At si Miss Gina Crab bilang Bridget, ang resident chisyosa naman ng office. Unfortunately, both Miss Karina and Miss Gina couldn't join us for today's press conference, but still, we send them our warmest regards. At sobrang excited kami ipakita sa inyo ang performance nila sa series na to kasi grabe talaga. Now once again, let's give another round of applause for the cast of Si Sol at si Luna.